Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna cook a Peruvian food, lamb with coriander or seco de cordero. I'm getting started using the processor, just adding coriander leaves, vegetable oil, garlic, and half an onion. And you will have a mixture like this, a little bit crunchy. In a clay pot, I'm adding oil and the coriander cream. Cook it for 2 minutes around. And here I have pieces of lamb. Just sprinkle salt and pepper, both sides. And you can use fish fillet, beef, or chicken if you like. And also I'm adding mixed vegetables. Cover the clay pot and let's cook over medium heat. Meanwhile, we will cook yuccas in salted water until they are soft. After a few minutes, let's turn the pieces of lamb and let cook to the other side until you see the stew is very juicy. And this is the Peruvian dish, guys. You can serve with white rice and yuccas. It's delicious, and don't forget all ingredients below in the info box. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar, and she's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes. Please follow her in her own videos every Saturday. Follow me on my social networks and please subscribe to my channel and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.